Look what's here. We got some new stuff. Hey everybody, welcome to Jamie and Jerry.
How are you?
I'm not Jerry. Alright, let's try that again. Hey everybody, welcome to Jerry and Jamie 2 Up. I'm Jerry.
I'm Jamie.
And today we are making an exciting unboxing of two things that are going to make us true overlanders.
Ooh.
We're very excited, so stay with us to find out what that means. So, when did we get this?
We got this the week before last, and then that one earlier this week.
So when you think of overlanding, what do you think of, Jamie?
Going overland.
Going overland, camping, right?
I'm a teacher, so I have to.
So every two boxes.
It's triple boxes.
It's like one of those Russian egg things.
Yeah, I can't think of what they're called, but it's so far this is box 2, so that's box 3.
Didn't know we were going to be wrestling to get into the box. Alright, so I'll pull this forward. Alright, so I think there's a third box in here. So we've been really diving into the overland thing for a little bit. And look, we've camped for a long time, so it's nothing new to us.
We both grew up camping.
And we're used to doing it on a motorcycle and that sort of thing. But when we started doing it in the Jeep, one of the things that we would look at other people's rigs and we would see that they had refrigerators in the back of their rig. So we always thought, well, you know what, we don't really need a refrigerator in the back of the Jeep, especially when we started seeing how much they were. Some of them are $1,000, and look, I'm sure they're great and everything, but I'm not spending $1,000 for a fridge when I could put a cooler in the back of my Jeep. I watch a YouTube channel called Softroadingthe, and he did a review on this refrigerator, and the good thing was it was less than $300. So we decided after Christmas we'd take the plunge and purchase it. Like everything else, it was back ordered, but we finally got it. So
When we ordered it, there was actually a discount. So
we're going to take this out.
How about we put it on the floor and then pick it up from there?
How about if we put it on the floor and pick it up? So yes, we finally got it out of the box. So it's kind of funny. This is called, the name of the company is F40 C4TMP. It's a German company. I did some research and found out it's a German company. 24-liter refrigerator and freezer, so that's the key thing for that. Seems to be really well put together. Top of it is hollowed out so you can keep a lot of stuff in there. It's a lot smaller than our Arctic cooler, but you don't have to put ice in it. It's got a power cord, and it's a long power cord, so it looks like it will go pretty much the length of the Jeep if we wanted to. I think we are going to get a 12-volt adapter to put in the back of the Jeep, but yeah, it looks like a good 10-foot cord back there.
Oh, this is the...
And that's the power charger, so
yeah.
this just goes in there. We're not going to start it up because it was on its side, so there's a compressor in here, so I'm going to let it sit for about 12 hours, 24 hours, and then we'll start it up and go from there, but looks pretty good. So happy now, we're true overlanders. We have a refrigerator, so. Alright everybody, we're going to go to the next thing here. So another thing we were looking at is ordering a new camp stove. We have a Coleman 1 burner with a little side thing, and it's a good stove.
It is, but it's one flame.
Right, you can't adjust it.
One flame fries everything.
We were looking at other people's channels and seeing that they had these camp chef. So we got ourselves a Camp Chef Everest, which I'm sure most of you have seen before. They really have that all packed up pretty well too. So this is the Everest model.
Bubble wrap.
Oh yeah. So this will fit perfect on our little table on the Jeep, that little pull-out table that we have. So look at that. Another thing that I really like about it is we have what's it called? A griddle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a griddle, and so this you can put on each side. And it, the other one, the Coleman we have has only got one side like this, and it's a little harder to put the griddle on. But. And then the thing that Jamie mentioned that we really like is you can turn up and down the burners, and so that helps a lot too. And it's got an igniter, which our Coleman had an igniter. It was the lighter.
Right.
Turn on the propane and put the lighter in. So yeah, we're really excited to have both of these. So we just wanted to give you a quick little unboxing. We'll do a little review of the refrigerator and the Everest at a later date. But
we just wanted to let you be part of our excitement because we've really been looking forward to these things, and we actually ordered the refrigerator. No, we ordered this like before Christmas, yeah. And it was on back order, and they said we weren't going to get it until February, and then we got the email last week that it shipped, so we were really, really excited.
Hey, thanks for watching the channel. We're getting a bunch of new subscribers, so that's exciting. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below.
Make sure you smash the bell and subscribe and share us with your friends. Give us a thumbs up.
And we'll talk to you all soon. Take care.
Bye.